It's an exciting day for Tasha Quilts, the small business. I've got a lot of updates. We've got some shelves to look at, and we're going to unbox my first 2 boxes of fabric that I got from Art Gallery Fabrics. So it is Saturday morning before 9 a.m. I've got my coffee, and we're going to get into this. So let's do it. So the last time you saw me, we were getting ready to put these shelves together. And as you can see, they're together. So we have these 2 Billy bookshelves all together. We haven't put all of the shelving in yet because we haven't gotten and I say we because my husband is definitely helping me out with this. I haven't gotten my Liberty fabrics yet. They're stuck in customs. Eventually we will edit the shelves to be the best size for when those bolts come in. And in here I have my shipping stuff that I haven't opened yet. I had to buy a heat printer and a scale. And so I'm going to start testing some of that now that I have some fabric. But let's quit the yapping and get to the good stuff. So I have one of the boxes up on the desk on my table. I have another one down here. Now I will caveat that I think most of this stuff is boring solids. Well, I love solids that is supposed to coordinate with the Liberty fabric that's not here. So we're going to get into it, get it. And then hopefully when we get the Liberty fabric, I'll be ready to make up some little bundles. But we'll see. All right, I'm going to carefully cut into this. Probably should get myself a little box opener here at some point. Oh, there's a little bit, it looks like there's another cardboard box. Oh boy. All right. So it looks like they had put a piece of cardboard here so that when if I was cutting, the fabric had a little protection, which was nice. Whoops, sorry. All right, let's see. Brought you all the way over here with me. All right. So the first up is, so all of these are 15 yards. All in this nice plastic. And this one is color ash. Ooh. This one is color sweet pink. Gotta be honest with you, this is a little brighter than I thought it was gonna be from when I ordered it, but that's okay. This green, I'm getting it, here we are. I'm getting into greens a little bit. I don't know, I've heard rumors that millennial gray is turning into millennial green. This one is called Fresh Sage. And we got Blueberry Zest. I don't know if that's the best angle for you guys. I don't know. Okay. And then I have some secret sewing coming up. And this was in their sale section. So I am going to, it's got some frogs and some rain boots. And it's really cute and rainbows. This was called Frog Song Evening. But stay tuned for some secret sewing. I'm going to use this and then I'll probably list it for sale. I haven't even figured out my website, any of it. So, we'll figure it out. Okay. And this is good old Trussley porcelain. This is what I'm currently using with my Alice in Wonderland quilts. Alice's Wonderland quilts. And the last one in this box is this is some of their binding fabric. I just couldn't help myself to try it out. They had a rainbow one, but it was out of stock. So I'm trying this. This is called Threadwork Bound Crystal. So you cut this in 2.5-inch strips, and then it becomes a strappy binding. So stay tuned. And then eventually I'll have that listed. As well. So that's the first box. All right, let's stick this in the cabinet and see how it looks. Take you guys with me. Sorry, this is a chaotic video. I'm learning how to vlog. Okay. All right. Should I leave the plastic? I'll leave the plastic on for now. This frog. Oh, crap. There goes the bolt. This frog one is so cute. That scared the crap out of me. All right, we'll put those at a little angle. So this, I have a little dish in here. Whoop, that has all the little thingies for the shelves. And that scared the crap out of me. Okay, so. No rhyme or reason for now. We'll just get it in there. That pink is very bright. I might need to order a different one if I didn't already. I can't, to be honest with you, I can't remember the rest of the bolts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that means there's 6 in here in the second box. Oh yeah, here's my list. All right. So, whew, another bright one. This is a nice bright red. This is ruby. Ooh, this one's pretty. This is honey. It's funny, you can see the reflection of my quilt hanging behind me in the bolt. Oh, okay, so hold on, let me. This one is, oh my gosh, why can't I read today? Where is it? Huh, that one does that really not have its name on there? Oh, there it is. Marvelous. Marvelous. How could I forget that name? I thought it was so funny when I saw it. And so really I was trying to get a variety of colors, solids that would coordinate with some of the Liberty fabrics I bought. Of course, it's hard to do that all online with the screens, right? Like, it's impossible to know how everything's going to look. And then this one was mushroom. Because my goal is to create some little bundles with a mixture of Liberty and Art Gallery fabrics. All right, and now we get to some of they had some bolts on sale that were prints. And so the frog one was one. This one, let's see, what's this one called? Blooming Soul Plum, so like this purple floral. I thought these might be cool for zip bags or, I don't know. To be honest with you, I had to get to a certain dollar minimum. And so I was trying to do that in the most effective way with things I liked, giving me some options. Oh, look, they gave me little stickers. Pure Solids sticker. And what's this one? I can see it in the camera because the camera's backward. Pretty fabrics inside. Ah. They're for your shops. How cute. Love that. Okay. I'll have to find somewhere to stick it. It does say you can stick them and re-stick them through natural static. So maybe I can stick them on here. Okay. Got distracted. Can't remember what I showed off. So this one's a blue one with flowers on it. Guess I'm entering my floral era a little bit. Solids and florals. This one was called Floral Pigments Wet. This one is a little directional though. I was trying to avoid directional, but I can see that I did not do that here, but that's okay. All right, so it looks like I can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bolts. Oh, is that all of them? Oh, I got 14. I thought I got 13. For an accountant, my math is really not good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, okay. Okay. Got one more. And this is like a, I don't know, would you call that a seafoam green? Oh, it does say Swedish seafoam, so I guess you would call this a seafoam green. And it's got these little, like, I guess they're like, I don't know if you would call those florals, but they're like little stars or fireworks or whatever they are. So that's pretty cool. I'll stick that one over here. So look at that. It's happening. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So what is my next steps? Well, one, I have to figure out how to get this fabric. Right now it's stuck in Tennessee with FedEx and imports. And I called FedEx because it says it needs my EIN number. So I called them. Oh, it's saying, and too bright. My camera's flashing at me. The sun decided to come out in New York. So I got to figure out how to get my EIN number to FedEx. I called yesterday. You can't do it over the phone, so I'm waiting for an email. So I guess I'm just waiting at this point for FedEx, which is fine. We're not in a rush, right? It would be nice, you know, knowing I spent the money, that would be nice to have all the fabric here so I could start bundling it and figuring this out. But that's okay. I have a lot of work to do between now and then too. So I'm switching my website over to Shopify just because I figured now's the time to do it. So I'm working on that, getting all of my digital downloads over to Shopify. And then I just think Shopify is a better user experience, and like that's what I want. So even though it's a little bit more money, that's what I'm doing. So that's going to take time. That takes a lot of time, more time than I had thought. So, and then I have to figure out how I'm going to bundle this stuff. But I think it's hard until I get the Liberty fabric here because I don't know which fabric would go better. I have to figure out all this printer I bought, the scale I bought, and I need to buy packaging things, little, the mailers. I'm going to mail them all in those, like, the words escaping me. I think they're called poly mailers. Those little plastic envelopes you get a lot of fabric in just because it is cheaper to ship. And I am not Amazon, so shipping won't be free. So I'm trying to figure out the most cost-effective way to get things shipped so I can charge the least amount of money as possible on shipping. I think it's going to have to be between like $5 and $6 flat fee, but I gotta do some more research. And then I want to figure out like my actual packaging. I want to try to make like little thank you cards, and I just want it to be a fun experience when you open a package from me, because I just am going to appreciate any orders I get, and I want to make sure that they feel appreciated back. So still quite a bit of work to do. It would be great to, so in a couple days, it's June 1st. Man, it would be great to have things listed for sale by July 1st. I'm assuming it could take another week or two to get the Liberty fabric to begin with. Then I'll have to figure out the bundles, and hopefully I'll have some of the other admin stuff done ahead of time. So I don't know, a lot of rambling here, but yeah, there's kind of a lot of work behind the scenes that has to get into it. I had an idea. I mean, I've had a website for a long time, but getting the listings, figuring out the shipping, taxes, all that stuff is new. I don't have to deal with a lot of that with the digital downloads, obviously. Man, I'm struggling with this pink. I think this pink is too pink. So when the Liberty fabric gets here, I might have to make one more art gallery fabric purchase. Here's what it's looking like, the different fabrics I got. Yeah, that's the pink I'm not too sure about. That's the binding. We got the red. Here's the florals. And then that last one. So pretty excited. So if you made it this far, I want to tell you one thing. I have to start doing some secret sewing. I have to finish my sister's quilt. I have some other collabs that I'm trying to keep under wraps, and I can't post public videos about it. So you might see on my channel some members only videos popping up about secret sewing. And I just want to tell you that if you become a member, that's great. Appreciate that. Love that. But all of that secret sewing will eventually also be revealed. Some of it might not be till the end of the year, till next year, whatever it is. But eventually, everything that I'm showing off there. I mean, obviously I don't think I'll ever make those videos public because they're going to be a different vibe, but I will definitely at some point be showing off everything that I'm sewing in those secret sewing videos. So I just want you to know you won't be missing out completely. You'll see it eventually. I also post pictures of all my secret sewing in my Clubhouse membership. So those are just like other ways to access information, but eventually you'll see all of my sewing publicly. It's just some things like obviously my sister's wedding quilt. I don't want to continue to post that until it's done. And then some of this collab stuff that I'm doing, I'm not allowed to talk about it publicly. But for me, I'm like, I'm going to do it behind a paywall because that's technically not public link. So all of those projects will be revealed in due time. They're not secret forever. So there's other ways to access the information. There'll be occasional members only videos coming up with secret sewing. I post constantly what I'm doing in the Clubhouse membership. That is more like a, that's a community. And then eventually all the collabs will be public. So what do you think? All right, this is my small business update. If you made it all the way to the end, tell me what your favorite fabric was, or I don't know. What should we take? If you made it all the way to the end, tell me what your favorite ice cream flavor is because it is now ice cream time in New York. And I hope you're taking care of yourself because you deserve it. I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye.